Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the fixes on how we can fix that. So I'm just going to share to you a very simple fix for this. So first is you have to click on the start button and go to settings, or you have to click on settings, or you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. You just have to type it in here. Click on it. In the list of options on the left pane, you just have to simply click on Windows Update. Click this button right here. So we need to make sure we are running the latest version of our Windows or our operating system. And we need to make sure that our Windows is updated. And once you're updated, you just need to simply close out of here and then try to install the Visual Studio again or continue the installation process. Next is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, or any other third-party antivirus softwares that you have installed in your Windows and you're using. So we can temporarily disable that because this might block or interrupt the process, the installation process. So click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. The third-party antivirus software will appear from here if you are using any of that. So as you can see, in my case, I'm using the Malwarebytes. So in your case, you might be using any other third-party antivirus softwares. You just have to simply make a right click and then you have to select quit option, or quit Malwarebytes, or quit Avast, or quit McAfee. Now, once you have disabled temporarily the third-party antivirus software, then you just have to try installing the Visual Studio again and continue the installation process. Now, for the next method is we can run the System File Checker Scan, or known as the SFC Scan. So in the Windows search bar, you need to type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, what we can do is we need to type this command SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will fix for any system corrupted files and check for any integrity violations. Now what you can do while the process is going on is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize by clicking on the minimize button right here, but you should not close it. So I'm not just going to share to you the whole process as to how and when it will get into 100% because there is no specific duration for this process. So what you can do is you just have to wait for that until it became successful or it is 100% completed, and then close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, try installing the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.